The pH scale. The pH scale is the measure of the acidity or basicity of a solution. It ranges from 0 to 14, where a score of 7 is considered neutral. Specifically, it quantifies the concentration of hydrogen ions. The higher the concentration of hydrogen ions, the lower the pH number. The pH scale is logarithmic, meaning each unit change represents a tenfold difference in the concentration of hydrogen ions. For example, a solution with a pH of 4 is 10 times more acidic than a solution with a pH of 5. Likewise, a solution with a pH of 11 is 10 times more basic than a solution with a pH of 10. Acids fall between 0 and 7 on a pH scale. The strength of the acid increases the farther you move from 7 and the closer you move to 0. Bases fall between 7 and 14 on a pH scale. The strength of the base increases the farther you move from 7 and the closer you move to 14. The most common way to determine a substance's pH is to use a pH indicator like pH paper. This paper will turn different colors depending on the strength of the acid or base. Let's test some common items you might find in your house to determine if they are an acid or a base and how strong they are. Here are some other substances you might be familiar with battery acid being the strongest acid of these substances and ammonia being the strongest base of these substances.